Hi, my dear kids.
Welcome to Easy Learn Funny Learn.
Video. We are going to see about SOF NSO food chapter. My dear kids, can we start? First one. Tanvi is making biryani for her family. From the following options, which of these is not a plant product? A. Bay leaf, B. Saffron, C. Rice, D. Lamb. So they are asking us to find which of the following is an animal product. That means it's not a plant product. So bay leaf, saffron, rice are obtained from plants. But lamb is an animal meat. So the correct option is D. Second one. Egg, chicken, meat are called as the dash food. A. Poultry food, B. Animal derived food, C. Healthy food, D. Unhealthy food. So, egg, chicken, meat are called as the animal derived food. Option B is the correct answer. Third one. Which of the following utensil is not used for cooking? A. Glass, B. Pan, C. Pot, D. Kettle. So the utensil which is not used for cooking is glass. Actually glass vessels are used for serving. So the correct option is option A. Fourth one. Find the correct analogy. Cake, bake. Idlis, option A. Fry, B. Bake, C. Steam, D. Boil. So cake is made by the process of baking. Similarly, idlis are made by the process of steaming. So the correct option is option C, steam. Fifth one. For very small children, dash is the best suited food. A. Noodles, B. Burgers, C. Milk, D. Pizza. So for very small children, newborn children, milk is the best suited food. It will give complete nutrition, and also milk is also known as complete food or wholesome food. So for very small children, milk is the best suited food. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a dairy product? A. Cheese, B. Cream, C. Curd, D. Juice. Cheese, cream and curd are derived from milk. It's a milk product, dairy product. But juice is not a dairy product. So option D is the correct answer. Seventh one. Find the odd one out. A. Kerosene oil, B. LPG, C. Coconut oil, D. Firewood. So the odd one out is coconut oil. Kerosene oil, LPG and firewood are used as a fuel for cooking. But coconut oil is used for cooking. So the odd one out is option C. 18th one. Dash is a fuel used for cooking. A. Water, B. Kerosene, C. Milk, D. Juice. Kerosene is a fuel used for cooking. So option B is the correct answer. Ninth one. Which of the following is not a method of cooking? A. Chopping, B. Steaming, C. Frying, D. Baking. So they are asking which is not a method of cooking. Steaming, frying and baking are method of cooking. But chopping is the method of cutting of vegetables into smaller pieces. So option A is a correct answer. It is not a method of cooking. 10th one. Since time immemorial, Dad had taken the sole responsibility of cooking in the households. A man, B woman, C both men and women, D children. So from past, women have taken the sole responsibility of cooking in the household. But nowadays, both men and women are taking part responsibility of cooking in the household. But from time immemorial, women have taken the sole responsibility of cooking in the household. So option B is the correct answer. 11th one. Males have more diet than dash. A females, B children, C animals, D none of the above. Both males and females have different body structure. Both are doing different works. So males have more diet than females. Option A is the correct answer. The food which can be eaten raw is option A rice, B wheat, C apple, D meat. So we all know all edible fruits and some vegetables we can be eaten as raw. So in the given option C is fruit apple. We can be eaten raw. So the correct option, the food which can be eaten raw is apple. 13th one. Select the best method to preserve green peas for a longer period without much affecting their taste. A. Drying, B. Pickling, C. Jellying, D. Freezing. So, freezing is a food preservation method in which food items are stored under a low temperature that inhibits microbial growth and preserves food for a longer period without much affecting its taste. Other options, drying, pickling, and jellying, will affect their taste. So, the best method to preserve green peas for a longer period without much affecting their taste is freezing. Option D is the correct answer. 14th. Vegetables and fruits make us dash healthy, B weak, C lazy, D sleepy. Vegetables and fruits are protective food and they prevent us from falling sick. So, vegetables and fruits make us healthy. So, option A is the correct answer. 15th one. People who do not eat fish, meat, and chicken are called dash. A. Non-vegetarian, B. Vegetarian, C. Carnivorous, D. Omnivorous. People who do not eat fish, meat, and chicken are called vegetarian. And people who eat fish, meat, and chicken are called non-vegetarian. There are some other group of people, they won't even drink milk. That is, they will eat only food that they are obtained from plants. They are called vegans. They are called vegans. So, people who do not eat fish, meat, and chicken are called vegetarian. Option B is the correct answer. 16th. We get cereals, pulses, vegetables, and nuts from dash. A. Plants, B. Animals, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. So we get cereals, pulses, vegetables, and nuts all from plants, only from plants. So option A is the correct answer. 17th one. Which of these is an animal product? A. Egg, B. Corn, C. Pineapple, D. Mango. So some of the animal product are egg, milk, meat, etc. So for the correct option is option A. Egg is an animal product. Corn, pineapple and mango are plant product. 18th one. We eat different types of food. Food helps our body in many ways. Which of these are called protective food? So please check the picture given in option A, B, C, D. So cereals are energy giving food, pulses are bodybuilding food, fruits and vegetables are protective food. Protective food are rich in vitamins and minerals and they prevent us from falling sick. So the correct option is option D, 19th one. Which of these would give you energy? A. Glucose, B. Milk, C. Butter paratha, D. All of these. So the energy giving food are rich in carbohydrates. So the correct option is all of these. Glucose, milk, butter paratha all will give you energy. 20th. We will find protein in A. Meat, B. Orange, C. Cucumber, D. Asparagus. So they are telling us to find protein. So meat is rich in protein. It is a body building food. So the correct option is option A. B, C and D are protective food. They are rich in vitamins and minerals. 21. A tomato belongs in which food group? A. Vegetable, B. Fruit, C. Cereal, D. Milk. So they are telling us to find tomato belongs to which food group. So usually in all our home tomato is used as vegetable, but actually tomato is not a vegetable, it is a fruit. So option B is the correct answer. 22. The food which cannot be eaten raw is dash. A. Banana, B. Grapes, C. Mango, D. Fish. So all edible fruits can be eaten as raw, but fish we cannot eaten as raw. We need to cook it and then we will eat. So option D is the correct answer. 23. The easily digested food is dash. Option A. Raw food, B. Cut food, C. Cooked food, D. None of these. The easily digested food is, no doubt, it is cooked food. The cooking will make food soft and easily digestible. It will add some pleasant flavor also. So the easily digested food is cooked food. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following products do you get from the animal whose name is obtained on unscrambling the given letters? E, Y, O, N, H, E, B, E. Option A. Honey, B. Butter, C. Milk, D. Thread. So, my dear kids, try to unscramble. We get honeybee on unscrambling the letter group given in the question. And we will get honey, bee wax, etc. from honeybee. So the correct option is option A. 25th. Cereal plants are rich source of dash. A. Carbohydrates, B. Proteins, C. Fats, D. Vitamins and minerals. Cereal plants are rich source of carbohydrates and also it is a energy giving food. So wheat, barley and rice are some examples of cereal plant. So cereal plant are rich source of carbohydrates. Option A is the correct answer. This question was asked in 2015 SOF exam. My dear kids, I hope you all understand.
Please watch my next video for our body. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.